Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's a review video again. So I will be reviewing a very popular color protecting shampoo. Whenever you are searching for color protection shampoos, this will always come in your mind. This is the review video of Matrix Biolarge Color Protection Shampoo. That's it. The Color Last. Okay, it has a big name, Matrix Biolarge Color Last Orchid Color Protecting Shampoo for Color Treated Hair. That's a long name. Anyways, it's Matrix Biolarge Color Protection Shampoo. That's the short of it. So I will be telling you all about this product. If you are planning to buy this product, then please go ahead and watch the full video because this video will really be helpful for you. The first point is the packaging. This did not have any outer box or anything. So this is a 400 ml bottle, quite a big one. So this has a quite attractive looking bottle, as you can see. This opens as a flip top again. Flip top bottles are really easy to use because they are travel friendly. But yes, this is a very big bottle, so you cannot take this while you're traveling. But they also have a 200 ml version of this shampoo, so you can definitely buy that for your travel purposes. This has a price printed on it as rupees 380, but I had got this from Nykaa for rupees 361 rupees. There was a bit of a discount. I have a bit of highlights here and there, as you can see, but I do not use a color protection shampoo as such. But yes, my ma uses this and I really had to ask her a lot of questions to get this review out because she always says that she cannot tell the difference of shampoos, but I had asked every bit of it so that I get a first-hand review of this shampoo to you. So my mother has been using this shampoo for over a month now. She has colored hair, so she uses this shampoo. So I will show you the consistency of the product now because that's an important part too. So there you go, that's the consistency of the product, and as you can see it is a bit runny and it is white in color. I want to talk about the smell. As you know, I'm a smell obsessed person, so this shampoo smells awesome. I mean, it has orchid written on the bottle. The smell is so flowery, and whenever my mother comes out from the shower, it's as if she has put on a bunch of flowers on her hair. The smell is very nice. I really love the smell of this shampoo, and the smell lingers on your hair for a very long time. This is a range of the professional shampoos. This is not a drugstore retail shampoo, which means that you will not get this in any shop, in any local shop. You will only get it in a professional salon, or obviously on online sites you get everything nowadays. This is the shampoo which most salons use after they color your hair. You know, they use a shampoo. If you have ever colored your hair in a salon, you will recognize the smell of this shampoo because it's the same smell. I don't think I have to tell you about the usage of how do we use this because as we use a shampoo, we need to wet our hair and then we need to wash our hair with this shampoo, do a lather and then wash it off. And you should always follow up a shampoo with a conditioner. I don't think that is any new information. Everybody knows this and everybody does this also. Ma doesn't use the conditioner every time after she washes her hair with the shampoo. She uses conditioner once a week. I think that's a good interval also for using a conditioner. Now the main part. The product claims to give you a very smooth hair, a very lustrous hair. It claims to retain the color on your hair. It claims to retain the radiance of the color which you have treated your hair with. It protect your hair while doing all this and also provide moisture to your hair, etc, etc. Out of all the claims, yes, this claim is true that this shampoo does retain the color on your hair. Hair color will actually stay longer. I did not see any less hair fall for my mother's hair. But yes, this shampoo does not claim that also, so I think that's fine because the shampoo does not claim that it will reduce your hair fall and all. So that's not a surprise, it's fine. After use, the shampoo gives a bit of a shine to your hair and it makes your hair a bit less frizzy. So you have a bit of less frizzy hair because mostly color treated hair generally have that frizziness of their hair. But that is reduced by this shampoo. That is true because this I am telling out of the experience But yes, again, you need to use a conditioner once in a while to get the full effect, to get the full benefit of this shampoo. So if you do not use a conditioner at all, then that is not going to help you. You need to use a conditioner once in a while, once a week, to get the full effect. Another very good thing about this shampoo is that it does not have paraben. You know, I think it's mentioned, yes, it is mentioned on the bottle itself that the shampoo does not have parabens. So that is a very good thing about this shampoo, because parabens are very harmful. I have been talking about parabens in all of my videos. So paraben is harmful. So this does not have parabens, so which is a very good thing about this shampoo. So the ingredients, I'm not telling you about the ingredients because I think that really bores people. It does not like to listen to ingredients and all. It's very boring, I know. So I'll just put it in the description box below. You can read it if you're at all interested. I'm not telling you, I'm not boring you with all the ingredients and all. So that's it. And yes, this has a shelf life of 3 years. Overall verdict of this shampoo is that this is a quite good shampoo. I like this shampoo and I will recommend you, if you have colored hair and if you want to protect the radiance of your colored hair, you can buy this shampoo definitely, because this will retain the color of your hair. That is true. This is a good shampoo. I really like it. I will give this shampoo a thumbs up, and out of 5 I can rate this 4.2. I think a 4.2 is fine for this shampoo. It's quite good. So that's it. I think that was enough for today, and I will not bore you with all additional extra not important informations. So if you are actually planning to buy this shampoo, or you have been searching the net for a good color protecting shampoo, then I will definitely tell you to buy this. As Ma has been using quite a lot of color protecting shampoos. That was it, guys. Thank you for sticking around and listening to the whole review video. So if at all my video was helpful to you, please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, because I am really active on Instagram on a daily basis. My account name there is Dr. Impressions. I will put a page screenshot here so that you can see it, and you can search me there and please follow me there, or I will put the link also in the description box below. Please comment below, because thank you so much for listening to me. And yes, click the bell icon also, because that is important. You need to get all the notifications of my videos. And please share this video with your friends. So subscribe, like, comment, bell icon. That was it, guys. Bye bye.